In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record reimbursable expenses on QuickBooks Online. If you pay for something on behalf of a client or your company and plan to be paid back, recording it properly keeps your books clean and makes reimbursement smooth. I'll walk you through the exact clicks and share tips to make each choice clear. Start by opening QuickBooks Online and, at the top left of your screen, click the New button. From the list of transaction types, choose Expense. This opens the expense form where you'll capture all the details for the out-of-pocket cost you want to track. Before anything else, select the account you use for reimbursable expenses. This is the category that tells QuickBooks where to record the cost. If you don't already have a specific account for reimbursable expenses, create one right here by clicking Add New. In the Setup window, enter a clear account name that you'll recognize later, such as Reimbursable Expenses. Then choose the appropriate account type and detail type that best match how you want this cost categorized in your chart of accounts. Picking the right types helps your reports stay accurate, so choose the closest fit to an expense category your business uses. Next, fill in the payee at the top of the form. This is the person or vendor who was paid. Select the payment method used, like cash, credit card, or bank transfer, so your records match how the money actually left the business. Set the transaction date to when the expense occurred, which keeps your timeline correct for reporting and reconciliation. Now enter the expense details. In the category line, select the reimbursable expense account you chose or created a moment ago. Add a meaningful description so anyone reviewing later understands what the expense was for. Enter the amount, and if you have a receipt, attach it to the transaction to support your records. Use the memo field for context, such as the project or purpose, which makes reimbursements and audits more straightforward. Take a moment to double-check the numbers and date to prevent corrections later. When everything looks good, click Save and Close. That's it. You've recorded the reimbursable expense in QuickBooks Online, and it will now appear in your expense records and reports under the account you selected. Keeping a consistent account name and attaching receipts each time will make tracking and reimbursement faster and clearer moving forward.